we're getting into the debate number 1 this Monday evening, and joining us this evening is Rita Bahuguna Joshi. She is a senior leader and spokesperson of the Congress Party. Also joining us is Meenakshi Lekhi, national spokesperson of the BJP. Both of them join us from Delhi. Dr. Ajoy Bose, senior journalist and author, also in our studios here in New Delhi. Also joining us is Sudhindra Bhadoria. He is a leader of the BSP. He is joining us live from New Delhi. And with us this evening is Gaurav Bhatia, National President of the Samajwadi Party's legal wing. And my first question goes out to you, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. The Samajwadi Party, the centre has made it very clear, was warned by the Home Ministry that there could be communal tensions. Yet the government of Uttar Pradesh has been completely at a loss to handle the law and order situation in Muzaffarnagar, despite the 13-day time that the government has got to bring the situation under control. Isn't this a complete failure of the Akhilesh government?
Navika, it is not correct to say that the state government did not act promptly and on time. Yes, it is very unfortunate that we have lost human lives, and we need to act on time, and we did act on time. And why I say this, I'll just tell you that as soon as the information was passed to the state government, there was overhauling done in the district. There was some transfers done and some new officers.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, just to correct you in the middle, it's not just a few lives. It's 29 lives in 13 days, and one death even being reported this morning. That's not a few lives that the government is experimenting with.
Navika, when I say that it is unfortunate, every human life is precious, and that is why I said, I started by saying it is very unfortunate that we have lost these human lives. And I am trying to answer your question whether the state government fulfilled its responsibility of acting on time or not. That is what I was trying to say. Now, so please permit me to just reply to your question. Okay, you were saying whether the state government acted on the report or not. I was coming to that the state government had sent senior officers to the district. They were gauging the ground situation there, and all action was taken. Even then, the police force was increased. All the police stations were asked to be vigilant regarding people who can flare up communal tension. And I must also say that this has been orchestrated by a political party for their own political and vested interests. There has been a video, which is a 2-year-old video, shot somewhere in Pakistan or Afghanistan, which was circulated on Facebook. And when the Facebook was blocked, then it was circulated through WhatsApp. And now, after investigation, link of the BJP.
Mr. Bhatia, which political party are you talking about?
Why doesn't it name who are these people?
Are you talking about?
Yes.
Name these people.
That is why, with some response.
Otherwise, it will be seen as if you're also part of this entire conspiracy that you're talking about.
Yeah. That is why I'm saying that please listen to my words carefully. I'm saying after investigation, it has been found that a BJP leader is probably involved in circulating the CD. So the investigation is going on right now, and the names would also be discussed at the right stage. But more than this, I cannot share with the media. The investigation is on, and there has been a link of BJP in spreading these CDs and the MMS through WhatsApp. And that is very important, because there is a political party which is trying that there should be communal tension in the state for political gain. And I think, all the political parties at this juncture
So you're accusing the BJP directly right in the beginning of the debate that the BJP is involved in stoking communal fires in Muzaffarnagar. Meenakshi Lekhi, your party's 4 MLAs have been booked. They have been named in the FIR. And your party senior leaders have gone virtually trying to enter Uttar Pradesh at a time when the situation is extremely sensitive in the state. Can the BJP explain why is it stoking communal fires in a state where it thinks that only polarization can give it electoral dividends?
You know, both SP and Congress have failed in giving good governance. So our plank so far as politics is concerned is good governance, which we have given. And people like you have abused us enough for 2002, not knowing that post 2004 till 2013, more than 5,500 of such incidents have happened. And Gujarat has been free of any riots. So please start clapping for us for providing good governance.
Ms. Lekhi, you brought up Gujarat. We've not brought up Gujarat. The question to you is that there is a direct charge made by the Samajwadi Party representative that the BJP's MLA has circulated. Can you confirm or deny this?
BJP.
I cannot answer if two people speak simultaneously without letting me complete my answer. If you want my participation, I would request you to keep quiet when I'm answering. And
yes,
not
please go ahead.
At that time.
Yes, ma'am, please go ahead.
Now coming to the present situation.
Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, answer the direct charge that has been made by the Samajwadi Party that CDs, fake CDs were circulated by BJP. What's your reply to the direct charge?
I am answering the direct charge provided you let me speak. I have heard your question. You're not letting me speak. My leaders have tried to visit Uttar Pradesh in the same light as in 2002 Miss Sonia Gandhi visited within 2 days of writing, and she was permitted without being stopped. In fact, she was taken around with complete state honor and not been stopped, unlike Kishtwar and unlike what has happened in Uttar Pradesh. Number 3, the Uttar Pradesh incidences of 29th of August, the ILU units which have stopped the political functions from happening of the opposition party, and I have suffered in one such incident in Unnao when a political program was cancelled and they tried to distribute laptops. So intelligence units are being used for political purposes rather than controlling the law and order situation. This is bound to happen. Number 3, the 4 people who have been named in the FIR are the ones who have violated the prohibitory orders. The prohibitory orders have come to stop people from verifying the correct situation. In fact, they should have been taken around by the present government to verify the correct situation of writers, because what we are getting is not what is happening. The information also suggests that this is not 29 people, this is not 30 people, 35 people on record from Meerut, Badot and Muzaffarnagar, and apart from that, the riot situation has spread across other districts. Now coming back to the issue of a particular CD, if the ILU units were working correctly and they are found to be false and fabricated, the source needs to be discovered. Who gave it to some naive people? And I think there is a conspiracy of the state government along with the Congress party to indulge in this kind of politics, because this is not the first riot which this state has seen for past 1 year. On record, there are 29 riots. Otherwise,
are you saying the BJP MLAs who were circulating this are naive people? Are you completely absolving them of any guilt on this count?
I do not even know, and I don't trust the SP government. What is the source?
Gaurav Bhatia, the question coming back to you is, the BJP has thrown the accusation back at you that they don't trust the SP government. You could be planting this situation. Also, my other question to you is,
Navika, they are free.
Two meetings. Gaurav, let me ask you the question. There have been 2 meetings that have been held by Mulayam Singh Yadav along with his son Akhilesh Yadav, who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. It's almost as if law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh is a family concern. Isn't this the biggest certificate that the Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has completely failed in holding the situation, bringing the situation under control? That his father, the former Chief Minister, has to actually sit in on meetings where there are police officials, there are other state home ministry officials. Isn't this the endorsement coming in from Mulayam Singh Yadav himself, that his son has failed to keep the situation under control?
Absolutely not, Navika. In fact, I would say that it is not about 2 meetings. The Chief Minister has held many meetings to ensure that we don't even lose a single human life. And if the president of the party, which has the government in the state of Uttar Pradesh, is also part of the meeting, there is nothing wrong. The real objective and the main purpose should be that the communal tension should be controlled and we don't lose any more human lives. And that is the main purpose. So I don't think there is anything wrong if the Chief Minister of the state and the party president of the ruling party, which has the government in state of Uttar Pradesh, have a combined meeting. What is wrong with that? It is the more important part is achieving the objective.
This is like a super chief minister. This is like a super chief minister in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Saket. Where else does it happen?
The media is free to read between the lines, say whatever they want, make baseless allegations. But one thing is clear, that we would not tolerate this kind of communal tension. We would do everything possible to ensure that there is a law and order situation.
Has been allowed to grow in UP by you.
What actions have been taken by the state government?
Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, can I get the Congress in at this point in time? Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, do you think it's normal for the Chief Minister's father, who's the party president, whose government is holding power in Uttar Pradesh, to sit in on officials and meetings? Is this not endorsement of the fact that the Chief Minister himself has failed to control the law and order situation in the state?
Look, I restrained myself from intervening in between the conversation that was going on. And I hope that Ms. Lekhi especially will allow me to speak when I'm speaking, and Bhatia also will give me just 1 minute to express my views. See, this is one of the most unfortunate and one of the most disturbing riots that have taken place in UP in the recent times. And Muzaffarnagar riots are now escalating, and we are afraid that it may engulf the western UP totally, and it's being watched all over the country. So it's a very serious issue, and we should not slang at each other. We should really see why this has happened. It's a total failure of the UP government. Whatever Mr. Bhatia said, they let the things drift slowly. See, from 26 to now, for 13 days the things were drifting. We were watching it. The governor was warning them. The central government was warning them. On Saturday morning, the Home Minister of India spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister. Now, what was happening? What were they doing? The DGP was sitting in Muzaffarnagar. There was Section 144. 20,000, 50,000 people were congregating. And the DGP was giving statements that is not against congregations. They should not become violent. Now, what was this? He knew that speeches were being made. He knew that that emotions were being kind of fanned by certain people. And as far as Ms. Lekhi says, she must just find out what her MLAs were doing there, what they were saying, what they were talking. And BSP also, their MLAs, they were also fanning sentiments. What were they doing? So I have to say that this one incident, which was a criminal incident, incidents of crime, has escalated into a riotous condition only because of the shortcoming and of the laxity of the administration. They cannot absorb themselves.
But Ms. Joshi, the big question is Congress leader.
They have to take this
senior leader after senior leader says that it is not a situation where president's rule should be applied in Uttar Pradesh. Why are you soft on the Samajwadi Party? Because you don't use the same restraint when it comes to incidents in other states, BJP ruled states like Chhattisgarh, or even the Shiromani Akali Dal ruled and BJP ruled state of Punjab. In May itself, 1 or 2 incidents, and you were very quick to ask for president's rule in Chhattisgarh and in Punjab. Why in Uttar Pradesh is there so much restraint? Is it because the Samajwadi Party's numbers are extremely crucial for the UPA to survive at the center? Is that the reason that you do not say the same thing about Gujarat or about Chhattisgarh or about Punjab, but when it comes to UP, you have a soft corner?
Not at all. We are highly critical of what has happened. The situation is very tense. The central government is intervening. You know that a meeting of the Home Ministry and other important ministries is on in Delhi. They are watching. The Prime Minister has spoken to the Chief Minister, and the Governor has sent in his report. Now, this is the time when all political parties, all social organizations should come together to contain the violence that is happening there. You see, what is most dangerous is that this violence is escalating, it's spreading into the villages. And if it spreads into the rural villages, more extensively, then it's going to be out of control. So right now we should concentrate on bringing peace in the area. And the Chief Minister, instead of denying and finding political motives in this, which we cannot deny, we cannot deny the political motives as well, because we are watching very closely.
Ms. Joshi, let's get in the BSP's point of view
for the vote bank.
Okay. Sure. Exactly. Ms. Joshi, let's get in the BSP's point of view. Mr. Sudhin Bhaduria is now with us. Mr. Bhaduria, the point that Ms. Joshi was making is that most of these incidents, whether it was the October 2012 the Faizabad incident, Faizabad riots, as well as this particular one, most of these incidents are taking place in rural areas, which is the most disturbing aspect, because it's spreading like wildfire and there's almost no control of the administration.
That is what Bahan Mayawati ji had been cautioning all along. She was saying that the Samajwadi Party is deliberately trying to create a situation where there is a communal divide. And let me tell you that today itself, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Akhilesh Yadav, is saying that when small incidents happen, the opposition parties make a lot of hula-bula about it. It is the most heinous communal carnage which has taken place in post-independent India, and they are calling these small-time things. This is similarly like when Nithari Kand had taken place, his uncle Shivpal Singh Yadav said that when small things happen, you know, big stories should not be made. Therefore, what we are trying to say is that over the last 1.5 years, a situation has been growing in UP. There have been over 10,000 cases of rape, murder, loot, arson. That is besides the point. The communal carnage which has taken place, and over 1.5 years, the communal divide. Now there are certain forces who met Mr. Singhal, who gave credence to Mr. Togadia in Lucknow. It was the same Mulayam Singh Yadav. It was the same Akhilesh Yadav who gave credence to all these people.
Mr. Bhatia, would you agree? Would you agree that there is a serious problem?
Has today
if we get down to the brass tacks, Mr. Bhatia, would you agree that there is something wrong?
Can you
and I also have a follow-up question for you, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. The fact is, when it comes to 84 Kos Yatra, you are able to control the situation. But when it comes to holding something like a Mahapanchayat on September 7th in an area which is known to be sensitive, where you haven't been able to quell the problems over the last 10 days that had been festering, you allow a Mahapanchayat to take place, you allow all sorts of political speeches to flare up the situations to take place. How come the law and order fails in such a situation, but it actually succeeds in keeping Singhal away, the VHP away, and stopping the 84 Kos Yatra?
Regarding the 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra, I think it was handled in the right manner by the state government. The VHP and the BJP wanted that there should be communal tension in the state, and without even resorting to any extreme measures like lathi charge or any other extreme measure, we were able to control the whole situation. And now coming to the other Mahapanchayat that you were saying, certain facts I don't think are within your knowledge. The Mahapanchayat, while it was being held, the administration looked into both the options of whether to continue allowing the Mahapanchayat or not allowing it. And the reports were these, that if it is blocked at this juncture, when people have gathered there, it could result into more communal violence. So that is why the administration took the conscious decision of
would you agree or would you not?
No, this is... If that is the
Mr. Ajay Bose, do you feel that dangerous politics has dangerous consequences?
No, I just want to say...
Their match fixing may have worked, but it has led to dangerous consequences.
We have been predicting this over the past many weeks.
I can't hear your question.
Riot which is waiting to happen. I'm surprised that why are they feigning so much surprise at this riot? This riot was predicted by many people. From times now, I remember a discussion, several weeks ago, when that whole Durga Shakti thing happened, we were very, very scandalized that you were taking action against a bureaucrat, but yet you were giving a communal slant. The whole problem is that this administration, apart from a total breakdown which has happened, it's also become a launching pad of a lot of communal tensions which Uttar Pradesh has not seen for many years. See, this is the unfortunate part, that in a state where communal riots was the thing of the past, it has suddenly erupted over the past 1.5 years. How can the Samajwadi Party not acknowledge this? Because you just look at the number of communal incidents, and this, of course, is a terrible communal carnage that has happened, and there is no justification to say that the BJP did it or somebody else did it. The Samajwadi Party has a very decisive majority, and if it has such a decisive majority, it should have the political will to control the situation, even if the BJP is trying to create trouble. So I don't think that excuse will at all wash, because you have the necessary
There are no excuses.
really show
there are no
you can
excuses.
control the administration.
But the facts have to be placed in the right perspective. May I please reply?
Secularism seems to have different definitions when it applies to different parties. Congress will define secularism in a certain manner which may be minority appeasement. Samajwadi Party will define secularism in their own way, and the BJP will define it in its own way. Does secularism have different meanings?
Navika, may I please now come in and reply to what Mr. Bose I think
One
said?
second. Ms. Lekhi was saying, why did the government fail
I'm sorry,
to contain
this is
this
not
violence?
Ms. Rita Bahuguna's program.
This last panchayat.
Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, I'll come to you. Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, let her finish first, and then I'll come to
How are you letting one person take the entire time?
Signatories to it. Your own MLAs.
Meenakshi, I'm just coming to you. Let her make her point.
MLAs were signatories to this. And please, while we cannot
she's the only one who's
the
making
Samajwadi
point.
Party government at all, but we cannot absolve you also, because the BJP MLAs and the BJP has tried to make they've tried to make take full advantage of this incident. So you are also quite involved. And BSP, ask him what was their MP doing over there. Their MP Kadir Rana, what was he doing? He was also giving inflammatory speeches.
So
all these parties except the Congress Party.
But a former
but the BSP is not expected to actually be a responsible party.
Action over there.
Come on now.
We were not we were
I
trying
think
to...
Ritaji, your leader Digvijay Singh has himself said, Digvijay Singh has gone on record that Mayawati's rule is far better. Mr. Digvijay Singh himself has gone on record, and he has himself blamed the Samajwadi Party.
It is between the kettle. It is between the kettle and the pot. It is just like that. Because I have these Lok Sabha.
No, I'm quoting Digvijay Singh.
Meenakshi Lekhi, you wanted to come in. Meenakshi Lekhi,
why are you quoting?
Navika, may I please come in?
The question to you is secularism seems to be
Because there are many people who are demanding today that there should be a governor's rule in UP.
In Muzaffarnagar, 3 times in 1 year.
I'm sorry, what's going on?
The government should have taken a strong view.
Is this Ms. Joshi's program? We all can take a lead.
Navika, please permit us to speak.
Come in, Meenakshi Lekhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, you wanted to make a point.
Yes, if Ms. Bahuguna Joshi's monologue can end, I can make my point, and I would request everyone else to bear up with me. Now, my point is very simple. If the riot situation needs to be seen, then one needs to go back to Maharashtra, Kerala, which has one of the maximum number of rioting, Andhra Pradesh, and all these states are controlled by Congress Party. So, kettle calling the pot black, I think she needs to have her own record settled first, and she begins her arguments by speaking. She cannot give up her obsession with me, so I must answer that writing as predicted by central government is not as much as predicted by Digvijay Singh. For all you know how the intelligence sources and several other sources are used by the central government itself. And where is Miss Sonia Gandhi? We all know she's in US, but her son is very much here. Why is he not taking rounds of Uttar Pradesh? Because both of them come as MPs from Uttar Pradesh. If other people from Bharatiya Janata Party are trying to take the rounds to verify the situation, they are stopped. They start blaming the MLAs who are trying to verify a situation. Keep quiet, Ms. Bahuguna Joshi. I understand your obsession with me. But at the same time, the country needs to see through these techniques.
Miss Meenakshi
Listen,
Lekhi, this is
I have
not
not
about
even
Sonia
begun.
Gandhi or Rahul
Come here,
Gandhi.
please come in now.
Begun.
That is not going
Why
to help
not?
the situation.
Why
That's
not?
going to solve
You
the
have
communal
different
tensions. The question
standards for
is-
Gujarat.
And allow me
You
to
have
ask
different
you,
standards for
as the
Gujarat
BJP
and every other
representative,
state.
very
Why
pointed
are they not
questions.
visiting the state?
You called for a
This is-
ban
this
following
is
the death
a
of
very
two
pointed
youths on
answer.
August of
This is not the time to
27.
visit.
You defied
This is not
curfew
the time
to
to
organize the
visit.
Mahapanchayat on
We are talking on his
September
behalf.
7th. Why
The
should
party
your
is talking on
party
his
not
behalf.
I'm sorry.
take
Pankaj,
the
may I please
lead?
come in,
I'm
Anamika?
sorry.
And we
Answer
answer
the
talking
simple
without
question.
There is a
Without his
slant.
permission, without his
There
confidence.
is a slant
No, Miss
in this
Lekhi.
program. There is a slant. There is a slant in this program that you people don't discuss it for 3 days till there was an FIR against the BJP MLAs who are trying to find out from the people what the truth is. Before that, nobody is even willing to discuss, and nobody has ever discussed the riots which have happened in Congress-ruled states. And it is in this context I'm questioning the Congress party, which has
Oh my God!
got
You
its
can't
hands colored
accuse
with
the
both
media
riots
of
in the
raising the
country.
issue late only because there's an FIR. Now that's
Why
called
not?
a severe persecution
Why not?
complex,
Why not?
Miss.
This is
Meenakshi
really
Lekhi.
trivializing the whole
You're
situation.
trivializing the whole situation. The media
No,
has a
I'm not-
right to
I'm not
question
trivializing.
every
I am
political
not
party on
trivializing.
this score.
I am absolutely and equally. You can't just start blaming
Miss Lekhi,
every right
29
on the
people have
BJP.
died in 13 days. Would you answer the
35
issues that are at
people have
hand?
died for
Would you
your
stop blaming
information.
the media?
The issue at hand is the issue that riots have been happening in this state for past 1 year and nobody's been speaking, and even this riot continued from 26th of August, and we have chosen to wake up now. Anyway, that we have chosen to wake up, don't start blaming the BJP, because BJP is not the ruling party and is not in control of administration either in the center or in the state.
But there are
This
4
is the
MLAs
issue.
of the
And
BJP who are
issue is
accused
of
of the
rioting.
FIR. Why can't we ask you that question, Miss Lekhi? It's a very
No,
fair
Your
question
party
to
was
ask.
aggravating.
Of
Your
course,
party was
I have
aggravating
answered
this.
you.
The BJP
I have answered
the
you.
Samajwadi was
I have
sleeping. The
I have
Samajwadi
answered
party
you.
was sleeping.
If my
and you were
people,
aggravating. So both of
if
you,
my
both of you are the culprits. So
people,
please,
if
both
my
of you are
people go
culprits.
to verify
And
the
please,
situation
don't try to
and
always have
administration chooses
holier than
to
thou
lodge
image.
FIR
You are
against
not
those
as
people,
holy
I
as
think
you
it's
always
people
try to
like
pose to
Ms.
be.
Joshi who need to
Excuse
be
me.
questioned.
We
That
know
they
that
don't
whenever the
even
elections
try
are
to
closed,
question.
your party
And they
tries
don't
to
want
do
to
this.
impose
But the
central rules.
Samajwadi party
They don't
has
want to
also
send
failed.
central forces. There is no case
This is
against
not
the
the
people
time for
who have
central
attacked
rule.
the army.
This is not the
There
time
are
for
3
central rule.
signs.
Okay,
No, what
we
is
get
the
your
time?
point.
When
Let
you
us,
had
let us
three-
take
when-
this
when
question
Ms.
to Mr.
Gandhi
Gaurav
started-
Bhatia, who is the
when
representative of the
Gandhi
Samajwadi
went to
Party on
Gujarat,
this
why
panel.
are they not
Mr.
just
Gaurav
in
Bhatia, the
Pradesh?
question
Your
is
argument.
raised by the
Navika, they'll have to be quiet before I can hear your question.
That brings the other question,
the
that this
discussion
seems to
properly
be a
or-
fixed match between the Samajwadi Party and the BJP, because you are the 2 political parties that gain the most with the polarization. So why shouldn't that charge that has been made by several political parties be actually sticking to both the Samajwadi Party and the BJP, that this is a fixed match between you, because you're the only parties which will get political dividends in the elections of 2014?
Navika, may I please come in now? I would say that even when 84 Kos Parikrama a suggestion was given by the VHP.
Parties do it on the caste and communal basis. It's the BSP, it's the SP, it's the...
Ms.
BJP.
Joshi, please allow Mr. Gaurav Bhatia to answer.
Doesn't they have any substance?
No, you tell
Yeah, please
Ms. Bahuguna Joshi, you only know, you can't discipline her.
I can hear you.
Ms. Meenakshi,
Navika,
please
may I
allow
please
Mr.
come in? This
Gaurav
is
Bhatia to
absurd,
answer.
you know,
We will
guests
come
are
back
not
to
being
you.
given a
Yes,
chance
Mr.
to speak.
Bhatia.
Navika,
Go on, Mr. Bhatia.
everybody is
Can I
aware
also
that
have
when
a vote?
84 Kos Parikrama
Gaurav has
was
a right.
introduced by the VHP, it was the Samajwadi Party government which dealt with it with an iron hand, and we were successful in doing that. Even at that time, the same allegation
you
was
never
made.
did.
Why couldn't you manage this particular
Let me
situation?
say this.
Why did you let
That
the
if we
situation
have
of
to
Muzaffarnagar
win
flare up?
the trust of a particular community
No,
or
they provided
sect, we will
credence
do
to them.
it on a positive agenda. We will uplift them. We will never
No.
do
Mr.
any
Bhatia, the
political
criticism is going to be,
because
Mr.
it is
Bhatia,
our
the criticism
government
here is going to
we
be
have to
that
ensure
was a
that
fixed
law and
match which
order
you
is
were able to
proper.
manage. This is the dangerous consequence of that fixed match, which you could not manage. Don't you agree that
Sanket,
something fundamentally has
Sanket,
gone wrong?
Would it, Sanket, please understand, making bold allegations without any substance would not help. I just stated it on your program.
No, there is substance.
That investigation
There is fact
on,
in this allegation.
and we are finding
And this is not
links
my allegation,
of
these are
BJP
political
leaders
allegations.
trying to distribute. No, Sanket, we are finding links of BJP leaders who have been distributing this video with ulterior motives because they want to fan communal sentiment over there. And the Samajwadi Party government would ensure that strict action is taken against such people. And to say that there would be political mileage out of this would be incorrect, because ultimately it is our government. So we have to give proper governance. We have to maintain law and order. So
do you take
therefore,
responsibility for the 30 deaths?
No government would want that there should be communal
Mr.
riots
Bhatia,
in
do
this
you
state.
take responsibility for the more than 15 major riots that have broken out since the 6th of March 2012 and the 30 deaths that have taken place right now? Does the state government take responsibility for what is happening in the state?
Sanket, when you ask me this question, every government has to take responsibility of the riots that happen during the tenure, and therefore as a responsible government we also take responsibility of it. But before I was coming
what
to the program,
But Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, then do you agree
permit me to
the
complete.
political parties
No,
have
no,
begun to
Navika,
ask for
this is
president's rule in
Navika,
the
this
state?
is unfair.
BSP has
Let's
asked for it,
permit
the
me to
BJP has
complete
asked for it. So once you've taken responsibility,
please don't
do you
disturb
think
my
there is
chain
a
of
case for
thought.
president's rule in Uttar Pradesh?
Navika, please don't disturb my chain of thought. I will answer all questions that you pose to me, but please allow me to complete myself. Please. Right now I was hearing the BSP spokesperson saying that, you know, there were no communal riots when
Uttar
BSP
Pradesh
was
is
there.
burning with
I have the
carnage
data
because of your misdeeds and inaction.
Mr. Bhadoria,
oh yes, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, during 1990 when Mulayam Singh was the chief minister, similar incidents took place when you were not in politics. Even at that time, in 1990,
louder than your voice. Why are you raising your voice, Mr. Bhadoria?
This is the story of the Samajwadi Party. The Samajwadi Party indulges in communal
Let me place the facts.
The communal divide, and therefore today we are seeing in Muzaffarnagar.
Navika, I think you should come in to just permit me to place some facts.
Politics which has happened in Uttar Pradesh.
This is absurd. When I am trying to make a point,
Mr. Bhatia, answer.
Mr. Bhatia, the question is directly to you.
Yes. Yes, and I am trying to answer that. If you permit me to speak, and if Mr. Bhadoria doesn't come in out of
Yes,
turn.
please go ahead.
Yes. I was just placing the Home Minister's statement made on the floor of the Parliament that in 2010 there were more than 117 riots in state of UP. More than that has taken place in the current.
Why don't you come to the governor's report, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, what the governor has given to Delhi today?
Yeah.
Why don't you speak about the governor's report which has come to Delhi?
Yes, I'll answer that as well. When the first incident happened in the state of UP, the first thing the BSP did was meet the governor and ask for a president rule. They are set criteria under the constitution, and the Supreme Court has laid down the guidelines for imposition of president rule or governor's rule.
So I don't know why they are so enthusiastic in asking for
any talk of imposition of president's rule is something that the Samajwadi Party is opposing. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, just give me 30 seconds. Let me ask you this question. Here's a list of incidents that have taken place in Uttar Pradesh between last year and this year, since the time Akhilesh Yadav has taken over as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Ghaziabad, September 16, 2012, 6 killed in clashes after alleged desecration of a sacred book. Faizabad, October 24, 2012, 1 killed, curfew following a dispute during Durga procession. Azamgarh, December 6, 2012, violent clashes, injured 11. Meerut, April 6, 2013, several injured during protests against incendiary Facebook protests. Also in July 26, 2 killed in clashes over dispute on the use of loudspeakers during a festival. The list, it goes on and on. August 31, 2013, Shamli, September 3rd, 2013, Lucknow, January 16, 2013, Muzaffarnagar, June 4th, August 27th, September 7th, and then goes on to Mathura in June and Bareilly in July. The list is unending. When do you think the government of Uttar Pradesh will control the situation which is springing up all along this area, and we've seen at least 50 clashes and 46 people losing their lives. How much longer will the state government take to bring the situation in the state under control?
Yeah, now may I please answer and permit me to just answer to your question. Okay, I would be needing some time. First duty of the state government is to ensure that there is prevention and no communal riots take place. And the state government is committed to that. And the law and order situation in terms of the number of riots have improved, because just in 2010 in UP there were 121 communal riots, and I'm talking
happening
about
day in and day out, as
given by the Home Minister. And
Mr. Bhatia,
secondly,
is this improvement?
Ajay Bose wants to come in there.
I just want to know. Mr. Bhatia, I just have a question.
Reply to your question. Why do people interrupt?
I have a question.
What kind of a civilized debate
Mr.
is this?
Bhatia, question coming to you from Mr. Ajay Bose.
I have a question.
First, let me reply to your question,
Singh
and then another
Yadav,
question
in his
can
meeting
come.
with UP officials, with his son, the chief minister, sitting there, scolded everybody like errant schoolboys, saying, you have all failed me. Is this not true? That Mulayam Singh Yadav was furious with them and scolded them like small children. Is it not true? Can you deny it?
Mr. Bose, please allow me some time. I'll reply to Navika's question, which is very important, and then I'll come to your question as well. But you will have to be
the most important question. Please answer this.
Yes, Mr. Bose, I will answer it. I'm answering the larger question that Navika raised. I said the first duty of the government is to take measures that they prevent communal riots, and in our case also the state government has dealt in a strong manner. Second, if a communal riot occurs, then it is important that action is taken. Before I was coming to this program, I had asked for the entire data of all the communal riots and the action taken, and I must share it with you that in each and every case, investigation was done, people were arrested and charge sheets were filed. And I'm talking about various incidents in each and every case.
But it also led to a number of deaths, Mr. Bhatia.
But you couldn't prevent the deaths of 29
number of cases have
in
increased.
Muzaffarnagar in the last few days. So of what use is the investigation if you can't prevent such incidents from taking place in other parts of your state?
Navika, would you understand the complexity that there is a national party
each passing day, each passing month, there is an increase in the communal carnage.
This is not a law and order problem.
Blame it on politics.
There is a complicity.
They have failed community.
When you can't manage, blame it on politics, Mr. Bhatia.
Yes? Please, can you repeat that?
That is no
please?
excuse.
No, we are saying that if you can't manage the situation in UP, you will blame it on politics. Is that the argument that people should take home?
Don't try to put words in my mouth. Don't try to put words in my mouth.
But you just said that there is a complicity of a national party, and that is
acknowledged just now that UP government has failed.
Yes. Yes, all I'm trying to say is that...
He just acknowledged that Uttar Pradesh government has failed to provide communal harmony in UP. He just acknowledged in the beginning of the debate. Now why is he running away from it?
You are acknowledging that. Don't try to put words in my mouth. It would be very...
No, it is for you.
Okay? I know what I'm speaking.
No, you just said in the beginning itself.
But you just answered my question.
Of a national party. Let me bring in Meenakshi Lekhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, that clearly is meant for the BJP. Would you like to rebut Gaurav Bhatia, who's just said that the situation in Uttar Pradesh is more difficult for the government because there is the complicity of a national party? Respond to Gaurav Bhatia.
I think he's discussing about the complicity of the Congress party and not the BJP, because there's no complicity of the BJP. It's very convenient for these parties to share power in the center and keep fighting with each other in the make-believe, which we call Noora Kushti in Uttar Pradesh. And we have seen how riots after riots have been taking place in the states governed by both of them. And if you see the data, you will all get to know that the states governed by either SP or the Congress have maximum number of rioting, and they are both responsible for playing
that is not
the
correct.
dirty politics for the simple reason
point out one
they have
relevant figure,
failed.
Madhya Pradesh and
Mr.
Gujarat
Bhatia,
also
Mr.
had a number of fights.
Mr. Bhatia, allow me to complete. I have got the
Please
entire
go ahead,
list
please
in
go
front of me. 10,000, 8,000, 6,000.
I was only
Now you
wanting to
compare
share
it with
the fact
1,400
that
and
in Madhya
2,000. It's
Pradesh-
not the same.
In Madhya Pradesh,
I have the data. I have the data.
Okay.
I have the data. Please.
Everybody is
I will not
registered.
fall.
Everybody
I will
has.
not
In
fall.
2010.
Look at your
When it
data in
comes
Madhya
to the
Pradesh.
facts.
Look at your data in Maharashtra.
And
Look at your data in
Madhya
Madhya Pradesh.
Pradesh.
Look at your data in
Madam,
Gujarat.
Madhya
ma'am,
Pradesh, Gujarat,
ma'am,
please take a look at it.
ma'am, I have
You were
checked the
there.
data. I have
But you
checked the
still haven't
data.
answered my
Kerala
question, Mr.
has
Bhatia.
10,000.
Don't try to-
Kerala has 10,000.
Yes,
No.
please.
Don't try because the maximum number of deaths and writing has happened during Congress regime. Now in this situation, the worst is that people are not questioning. That when people are coming from a panchayat, a well-armed crowd has actually attacked. Nobody is questioning. Nobody is questioning that pertaining to Myanmar, there were people who have got together. People have got together, whether it's Allahabad, Lucknow and Kanpur, and none of you are protesting because you are playing vote bank politics. We know your role. The unfortunate part is that this is precisely what Digvijay Singh predicted. So I think the Congress and the SP are colluding even in these writings.
And you and SP.
Miss Rita Bahuguna Joshi, you have been stating continuously figures. My question
I think
to you
she should be confronted with the figures.
Party has done so badly.
She should be confronted with the figures.
Demanding president's rule in the state.
But you are fanning it.
Because this party is an alliance
No, they are
partner
not even
in the
visiting.
center, and
Navika,
they are
may I
not
just
asked
visiting.
for
That's the
president's
best.
rule
Navika,
in
may I
the state.
just say something, please, if you allow me.
If she comes up with wrong
Navika?
figures, it's inexcusable.
You are
I
not
can
allowed to
read out the
Ms. Joshi, you haven't answered the question.
10,000 in
You
Kerala.
are friends with the Samajwadi Party at the center.
Let us say
Is that why
the
you're not
Samajwadi
demanding
Party
president's
has
rule in the
totally
state?
failed. They have totally failed. They have totally failed in containing
Navika.
violence. The amount of violence that has taken
Navika,
place
may I
in the
please
past
come in?
1.5 years is deplorable. And the government is being pulled up by the central government. The governor has sent his report. Things will take their own course. But right now, for God's sake, let all the parties come together and bring peace to the area.
Closing comments
Let
from
us
all
not
our participants
make
here on this
statements
particular
to flare up
debate.
the city.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia hasn't answered the question raised by Mr. Ajoy Bose.
Did Mulayam
Has Mr.
Singh-
Mulayam
Yeah, you
Singh
please.
actually scolded everybody or not?
Can you answer
Mr.
that?
Bose
Didn't
might be
he
knowing
say
that
you have failed me?
At least, Mr. Bose, you are a responsible journalist.
These
You
are
making
my
such a
reports from
statement
people who were
is
present.
Very unfortunate. Is very unfortunate. Okay. Having said that, I would
This is
only
from
say
somebody who was there
that
at the meeting.
The most important thing.
Unfortunate on whose part?
Thing right now for the state government is to ensure that no lives are lost, and we will ensure that that doesn't happen. And the news right now is that the situation is under control.
But
and
that does
senior
not answer
officers
the
from
question
the
that Mr.
police
Ajay
department-
Bose raised. He's raised a very
No,
pertinent
but
question
I
that
totally
in the
deny
joint
it.
meetings
I
that were
deny it.
attended by the Chief
I
Minister
deny it.
and Mr. Mulayam Singh,
I
Mr.
deny it.
Mulayam Singh has actually expressed complete disgust
Miss,
that the
may I
entire
come in now?
administration has let him
In fact-
down.
in fact,
Would
Navika-
you agree with that?
In fact,
Navika, to
Mr.
express-
Gaurav Bhatia,
Can I
just
to
to add a little bit
express
more
now,
clarity to what
wrong.
Navika is saying,
Everybody
Mulayam
has
Singh
spoken
Yadav was
denied
supposed to
and
attend a
the kind
prayer
of
meeting
language
in
used
Noida.
for a
He
national
cancelled
leader
that
like
meeting
Mr.
at the
Mulayam
last
Singh Yadav
moment.
is not proper.
No,
Can you-
Gaurav
can you
Bhatia,
repeat that?
we here at Times Now are only reporting
I have
facts.
all my respect for Netaji,
Yes or no?
please.
Has the state administration, is Mulayam Singh Yadav upset with the way the state administration is being run? He even cancelled an event in Noida, a prayer meeting he was supposed to attend at Film City in Noida.
Sankit, any person would be upset when lives are lost, and therefore if a displeasure is conveyed, I think that was the right thing to do. We had to control the situation, and now the
So
latest
isn't that
news
an
is that the
endorsement of
situation
the
has been
failure of the
controlled.
government?
Absolutely not.
Isn't that the
there is a
endorsement
mishap,
that
the state
Akhilesh
government.
government has been given too long a rope and it has failed to control the situation in Uttar Pradesh?
You know, the sad thing
Navika,
is that the
please
young brigade
understand
of
the
which you
incident is
belong to,
unfortunate,
the young
but to
brigade
judge
of the
the government
Samajwadi
and the
Party,
performance
which
of the
was
government
supposed to
just
bring
because
the
of this one
Samajwadi
incident
Party, open a new chapter, they have failed. They have failed. And, you know, I think that's a very, if you don't acknowledge it, if you don't see the writing on the wall,
Can I
that
say something
a person who had almost taken semi-retirement from state-level politics has to step in, attend meetings, talk to officials, scold his son. You know, this is very bad for the young brigade who was supposed
Mr.
to
Bose,
take
you
over.
are making these
There was
comments.
a lot of
I dispute
expectation
these
and
comments.
hope in you
These are
in
not
Uttar
proper
Pradesh.
comments, not authenticated. Please, you can say whatever you want, but I'm disputing those comments when you say that he's used harsh language.
You're a part of this
I
young brigade.
dispute that. If he expressed
Can I come in?
displeasure, there is nothing wrong. The priority of the government right now is to ensure that we don't lose a single life now, and the situation is under control. We will take strict action against people who are trying to promote communal tension over there, be it any person, however high and mighty that person might be.
Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, the last question goes to you. The fact is that your MLA Hukum Singh said that the Mahapanchayat was wrongly held and the Samajwadi Party should not have allowed that Panchayat to be held, but it is actually he who actually was present there and made some speeches. Now, isn't that something that makes the BJP guilty? Don't you have to set your own house in order as far as the situation in Uttar Pradesh is concerned? Or does it suit you to bring up communal tensions in the state? As a responsible national party, what is your party's stand?
You see, as a responsible party, my stand is very simple. What you're saying is unverified, and I haven't heard the speech made by the MLA. But at the same time, if this Mahapanchayat was held and post this, Mahapanchayat leaders were attacked by a well-armed mob, whose responsibility would that be? And wasn't the responsibility of ILU, the local intelligence unit, to address this issue, and the administration should have handled it? Because it's not just the speeches made at Mahapanchayat, but it is that Mahapanchayat people, while returning, were attacked by a well-orchestrated mob which was armed. And that is the main question.
I have a question for Meenakshi, just last question.
We'll have to end it at this point. All political parties are clearly throwing the ball in each other's court. 29 lives have been lost over 13 days. And at a time like this, we will hope that in the coming few days, political parties will exercise restraint and responsibility to bring the situation in Uttar Pradesh under control. Because everything is not politics for vote banks. Because that is something that political parties will now have to own up to.